This bag got me through Morocco. Welcome to our Morocco vlog. I am so excited to take you guys on this journey with us through Morocco. We pretty much stayed in Marrakech and Tiznit. And the purpose of this trip was to really build relationships with the artisans there. We're really trying to build on our leather collection. They have really good leather, so we visited some tanneries. We also wanted to build on our home decor. And as you know, Morocco has some beautiful ceramics, rugs, a lot of woven items. So we really wanted to take the time, meet with artisans, and see how we can work together. Here's one of the ateliers we visited. It's a really talented shoemaker, and he is based in Marrakech. He's super talented, super nice. After that, we went to dinner. Dinner was quite the experience. Already from the place, it's gorgeous. And then the food came out, and it was an experience. This was just the entree, and there was just so much food. And when in Morocco, they say that you have to get tangine. So that's what we got. Chicken and I believe lamb. Yeah, it was quite the experience. And then there were performers afterwards. Here's Morocco, Marrakech by night. That night, we actually took a trip to Tiznit, which is Morocco's silver capital. It is now 2 a.m. and we are on our way to Tiznit from Marrakech. It's about a 5-hour ride, so we will be getting there at 7:15 a.m. And I think it was perfect because we would be getting a full day in Tiznit, not losing the 5 hours to daylight. So I think it was ideal. So we really wanted to see how we can partner up with their artisans and create some unique malachite jewelry. So here we are arriving to our hotel. It's called Riyad Janoub, and it is just gorgeous. It's gorgeous. The staff was really nice. The sun was out. We got breakfast included. It was a really nice place to stay. So if anyone is looking for somewhere to stay in Tiznit, this is the place to be. I took this trip with Xavier, who is part of our digital media marketing team. It was nice to have a male presence around. Doing business abroad in any country is hard, but I also just wanted to have a male presence around, also to help me navigate, help me negotiate, and I just felt like people took me more seriously than if I was by myself. We did a lot of walking. A lot of the times, especially in Tiznit, it's hard to get cabs, and you might as well just walk everywhere. So my Google Maps was on at all times. I met with a few artisans just to see, since malachite is found in the Congo, we're able to have the stone and get the stone, but we wanted to make sure we merged it with silver design, so silver and gold design. So silver is mainly found here in Tiznit. They don't work with as much gold, but we wanted to work with them and see how we can incorporate silver into our malachite designs. Lunchtime. We are getting hungry. Getting to this place was a journey. Because it was online, it was recommended. It was also on TripAdvisor, so I guess a lot of people go there and they realize how hard it is for an outsider to get there. But the food was amazing. Service was great. I learned how to pour tea. I think I did a decent job. This is the Riyadh by night. Still gorgeous. Here is our guy, Yusuf. He was so helpful during the trip. He also has a shop in Tiznit, but his shop is more so vintage jewelry. So he has vintage, old silver, things from a little bit of all over the world. It was a quick trip. We were only there for 2 days, but we just wanted to meet the artisans, get those contacts, see if we can get some samples made with a quick turnaround. And then we were able to evaluate the work and the craftsmanship, figuring out how we're going to work together moving forward. We're back in Marrakech. We really wanted to try West African food in Morocco. I think we tried most of the popular Moroccan dishes, which was basically tagine, couscous, and all of that. So we wanted to see if we could find some really good, authentic West African food in Morocco. And this place was actually not too far from our Airbnb. It was literally a walk. So it was gorgeous. I really, really loved the decor. As we build more into interiors, I really start paying attention to decors. They had the Rwanda baskets on the ceilings. I loved the wicker chairs. The table runners were African print, and they have this wooden plate shaped as Africa with dividers in it. So as we start digging deeper into home decor and stuff, I start paying attention to every little thing. So it was gorgeous. The food was really, really good. One of my biggest feedbacks from Morocco and the food was sometimes there's not enough salt. And yeah, that's my feedback. As you can tell, the food was bomb, 10 out of 10. Yeah. I think the only thing I didn't like was that they didn't have bissap and they ran out or something. But other than that, the food was great.
Don't waste food.
My woman, woman, woman. Afrika ozongi na mboka mama nakoyimba yo mokili mobimba yoka Pona Afrika ozongi na mboka mama nakoyimba yo mokili mobimba yoka
Here is another West African restaurant called Le Consulat. I never turn down an opportunity to drink coffee. So if there's coffee on the menu, most likely it will be ordered. Here comes our food. I got chicken mafe and rice, which is a peanut-based soup or stew, I would say, with chicken. Xavier got grilled fish with plantains and acheket, which is made from cassava. Welcome to the souk. It is huge. It is bustling. It is busy. It is an experience. If you come to Morocco, there are so many different shops. A lot of them sell similar things. You just need to know how to navigate it. One of the tricks that we use to get around, especially if we wanted to revisit a certain place, we would either send each other the locations via WhatsApp, just so we have it saved, or we'll take a picture there and then click on the picture, scroll up, and you'll see the location pop up, and then use the directions or the maps to get to that location. Those things are really, really helpful because you can get lost. Again, Google Maps was my best friend, but still sometimes it can be very, very confusing. Another thing was like to pick a landmark or just a place where you know, okay, this is my mark. I know that from here, this shop or these places are above me or behind me. The place that was that for us was this bathroom. And we knew that if we were next to that bathroom, we knew exactly where to go from there. So that was pretty helpful. You cannot go to Marrakech without visiting the Jardin Majorel, the Yves Saint Laurent mansion in Morocco. You can't do it. You just can't. You just can't. So this was our trip there. Again, sun was out. The weather was great. And we got our tickets the day before and was able to go there. One thing I would say is please try to get here early and get your tickets online, because the lines are long all the time, all day. So if you don't get your if you wait till you're there to get your tickets, know that there'll be a line for tickets and then a long line to get in. So you'll be waiting on two different lines. So the earlier you go, the better. The shorter the lines will be. And then if you get your tickets online beforehand, that's the best case scenario. It was really busy. There were so many people there, but the blues were bluing, guys. The blues were bluing. It was a really nice place. I love the colors. I love the greenery. The garden was beautiful. You know, like I said, I would always have time for coffee. So we got some coffee. There's a cafe inside the Jardin. And we got coffee and some sandwiches. And yes, yummy, yummy, yummy.
You're so special, my woman, woman, woman.
After the Jardin, we went back to the souk. So the main souk that we went to was Souk Jamal Fina, and it's big. It's really, really big. I'm telling you guys, this bag got me through Morocco. When I say I just throw everything in there, camera, water, items, anything just gets thrown in there. Like, that bag got me through Morocco, I'm telling you. We went back to meet with artisans. There's some things that we placed orders for that we had to pick up, different things that we had to see. So we were in there quite frequently. We found a lot of cool home decor finds, like mirrors, plates, rugs, bowls. There was a lot of really cool things, and we are just so excited to show you guys what we found and how we're putting our twist to certain items. I used our Pochette Paigne for money. They're just really practical. They come in 2 sizes, so the big one I use to hold all my bills. I will usually kind of like budget out the day, how much I want to spend. If there are any vendors that I needed to pay, I usually just budget that out so I don't have too much money on me. And then I will keep coins in the smaller pouch. So the Pochette and Paigne sets are perfect for traveling and just like separating out money, especially since certain currencies are just like, you have a lot of bills. So I wanted to have that separately inside my Keza Tote Bag. I don't know if you can see, but I also usually carry our big Adolphine tote. When I travel, I usually carry it inside the Keza tote, so when I'm purchasing bigger items, at least I have that bag as well. We found some rugs and they were huge. So let's talk about shipping, guys. Okay. We got the vendors to wrap the rugs for us. I think we got 3 different sizes. We got them to fold it and wrap it up. And here we are on the wagon getting out of the souk because we couldn't carry the rugs. And then we ended up literally just going around trying to find the post office. The post office was saying that it was too heavy, it was too big, they couldn't ship it. We ended up going to DHL, which DHL is just ideal if you want to ship anything from Morocco to the States and Europe. And we got a really good person. Another thing is, if you're shipping out very fragile things, it's advised to get a wooden box made. They create it, they make it by hand over there, so you can just figure out what size you want and get your wooden box made and just put all your fragile things in there, wrap it up really well. We sent over a lot of baskets and things as well, so we'll wrap it up, put them inside the baskets so that they're just more protected and can withstand the travel. So this is the end of our Morocco vlog. I cannot wait to show you guys all of the beautiful, intricate things that we got from Morocco. They will blow your mind because they blew mine. So I can't wait to show you guys that. They will be up on the website soon. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. But before you do that, I'm gonna need a favor from you. I'm gonna need you to like, comment, and subscribe on this video and let us know which destination do you think we should go to next. In the comments, I want to see destinations. Okay? Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.